Huaxin series welding fume extractor and dust collector are high-efficiency purification devices independently developed and designed by Jinan Huaxin Automation Engineering Company Limited. The product has obtained authoritative CE certification of European Union, compact footprint, exquisite appearance, safety, and humanization. The electric control box adopts embedded and external electric control doors, forming a multi-stage ceiling to achieve IP54 rating. Intelligent control system can realize remote operation and equipment interconnection, timely and efficient after-sales service. Customers use more peace of mind. Huaxin series products come standard with oil water separators. Pressure regulation is achieved while filtering the compressed air from the outside, suitable for supplying compressed air in different scenarios. Power Core Type A centrifugal fan is built and designed. Fan blades and roll cover molds pressed into shape. Energy efficient, low noise, and stable performance advantages. Air inlet is equipped with spark arrestor, multiple collisions of sparks to extinguish, eliminating risk of fire. Welding fume extractor and dust collector adopts quick replaceable vertical filter cartridge, easy to disassemble and maintain. Filter cartridge uses imported high-efficiency flame retardant material, filtration accuracy up to 99.99%. The filtered clean gas is effectively circulated. Equipped with pressure difference detection device, it can detect pressure difference of filter cartridge inside and outside in real time. The cleaning method can choose Venturi pulse cleaning or rotor pulse cleaning according to the operating conditions. Collection container is equipped with anti-reverse dust device and dust level meter, providing real-time feedback on dust accumulation in collection container, extending service life of equipment. Dust collection has two methods: spiral dust transport device and dust container. Spiral dust transport device has patented technology, and dust can be directly transferred from dust container to garbage bag, cleaning at any time without turn off the machine. Easy, safe, and healthy operation. Cleaning of collection container with large capacity is easy to operate. Huaxin series products can achieve standalone matching and centralized dust collection functions. Suitable for welding fume and dust treatment in laser cutting, plasma cutting, flame cutting, welding, grinding, polishing, and other scenarios, adapting to different working environments. Pioneer series dust collector